let's look at ma. We write ma, okay, and then we put m here, ma. At the beginning, ma namu bi, okay, ma, okay, na, okay, mu, and b, okay. Then we put a m here, so mu ama, and we put a dot here, so this is n ana, and then m, okay, and then b, mubi, original form of a verb, okay, manamubi. Manamubi is to wear down, to break down, okay, it's like a 损耗 in Chinese. Okay, so this is ma at the beginning, so ma in the middle is car, okay, mamubi, ma, mu, and b. Okay, we put an m here, we put another m here, so car, mamubi, to protect, 保护. Okay, so ma in the end, for example, ama, and ma, okay, ama, so it's father, okay. So when we write this word, so we better just put the two teeth very close. It's better this way, otherwise it could read as n, okay, so it's better this way, all right. So ama, father. We write mu, so we just write and then put an m here, so this is ma, and then we put a dot, this is mu. For example, mu is used to translate this Chinese word mai. Today we pronounce it mai, but in the past it is mu, all right. So in Shandong dialect it's still mu. Okay, so for example, to take one's pause, okay, it's mu, 자发母笔, 자, and fa, okay, and bu mu bi, it should be bu mu bi, okay. 把脉, all right. So mu in the middle, mu in the middle, 数了母笔, 数了母笔. So it's 数 to pay tax, 书税. So this 数了母笔 is to charge taxes, 征收征税. Okay, so this is le in the middle, so le in the end, 什么, okay, 什 and 么, we put m here, this is 么, and 思 and put a here, 什么, okay, 如此 in this way. Also, for example, 么, and 么, mother, okay.